LED lights from Amazon in the garage here. We have a split foyer home, so we're going to go through that whole process of installing some of those lights here in my two-car garage in a split foyer. So we'll go ahead and show you what comes with the kit here, and get everything laid out and put together, and then we'll get it mounted up here on the ceiling. Alright guys, so in the package that comes from Amazon, it is a bunch of these light bars and a bunch of adapters that you have to piece everything together. Comes with directions on how to do it, but you can see here that's what the adapters look like. And it does come with the power wire to plug into a socket, which is nice, and it also does have a direct wire and a bunch of anchoring pieces there to go into drywall and 25 screws. So it's got everything to mount this as well. As you can see here, all that good stuff. There's the direct wire piece. Does have zip ties. That's to zip tie the power wire to the actual light, so it's kind of cleans everything up, looks a little better. But I actually already pieced together a good chunk of this, as you can see here. Those are two of the big pieces. Very easy to put together. You just slide these guys in here like so. This is the one that's going to connect those two pieces together. So we are going to put that together so we have the whole big 5-piece octagon, and then we'll light it up for you just to show you what it looks like before we put it up on the ceiling. Alright guys, there it is all put together. So this setup with the 5 is about 5 feet, close to, it's like 7.5 feet wide. So 7.5 by 5 for these, and we'll show you what it looks like plugged in here. Here we go. So this is 168 watts, I think it is rated at for this setup. So I know there's some out there that have more wattage, it'll be a little brighter, but I think we're gonna go with this setup to start. We'll see how that does. If I like this one, then I may add another one to the back of the garage as well. So we'll see how this first setup goes. So I'm going to go ahead and center the lights with the garage door, so it'll be on center there, and then that way we'll have enough room. We'll get it pretty close to the garage door opener here and have it come over on each side. But we'll go ahead and get some measurements taken here, get some markings where we're going to put it. Alright guys, I'm attempting to do this by myself, one person. Having this in the middle here where I'm putting it helps because it can kind of rest there while I get things situated. But what I ended up doing, I ended up making this level with my bracket for the garage door opener, so that kind of will be even there. And then I measured over 44.5 to the middle here, because these are actually, it was like 89 inches long when I measured it. And then, as you can see here, had that 5-gallon bucket on top of my 6-foot ladder there to try and balance it until I could get 2 screws in. So that's what I did here first, is did 1 screw in this corner with the anchor and 1 over here. So I'm going to get a couple more in just to be safe, and then I can push it up and drill my holes and then get the anchors in, and then I think we'll be good to plug it in. Alright guys, we got it installed, and we're about to show you. This is with just the lights we had in the garage before. And now we shall plug this in. Boom! Way more light in here. So, yeah. Alright guys, we have it hooked up to a switch. Boom. You can see that adds quite a bit of light in here compared to what we had. Even more prevalent when it's dark out. But yeah, I'll show you what we did for the power here. If you look up here, this is our light socket power adapter that we got off of Amazon. So let's plug it into there, and that way we can use the switch. So yeah, I think, guys, definitely worth $65 to get these lights. I'm going to definitely get another set of them and put it towards the back of my garage. We'll have 2 sets of these 5 Hexagon LEDs in the garage, and I think that will lighten this place up nicely. So I'll have links in the description to all of this stuff on my Amazon Associates store, where I get a little commission there. If you guys are interested in checking that stuff out, the links are down below. I'll have a link to the light bulb socket connector, so you can plug into your light bulb for power. And then I'll have this 5 Hexagon LED set linked as well. So thanks again for tuning in, guys. If you have any questions on this setup, let me know. But stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.